In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Journal Finder to check whether the Covenant Library has access to a particular journal or periodical. Start at the library homepage and scroll down to the Catalog section. Click on Journals List. This will take you to our Journal Finder site where you can search or browse by the title of the journal that you are looking for. Enter the journal title in the search box and click Search. If the title is found, Journal Finder will display the sources for that journal available through the Covenant Library. These could include publisher websites, full-text databases, and the library's print collection. Each online source will also indicate the range of dates available at that site. In this case, the publisher provides access from 1999 to present. The Atlas Religion database provides access from 1944 to 1 year ago. There is a 12-month delay between publication and when the articles become available in this database. Clicking an online source will take you to the journal site or to a landing page where you can browse the journal content. Clicking the Print Holdings link will take you to the library catalog where you can see which issues are available in the print collection. If none of the sources listed provide access to the particular issue or article that you need, click the Interlibrary Loan link to request a scan from another library. Online students may also use the Interlibrary Loan request form to request a scan from the library's print collection. If you have any questions about locating journal content, please contact the library.